Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to talk to you about ClickFunnels affiliate tracking. So tracking your affiliate links in ClickFunnels is super easy. Now you can use other tracking platforms like for WordPress I use something called Thirsty Affiliates, which is a free plugin. Also you can use ClickMagick, which is probably the best option, but it's a paid option. But if you want to do say just the free option, you can just simply add in sub IDs here. So you can see here I have various sub IDs so I know where my links are coming from. For example, if I'm writing a blog post and I want to promote the 14-day trial, I would go into my link. Where is it here? So I'd go here and I select a link. Let's say I want to, and it gives me there's all these different pages. So I recommend that you look at the different pages that you want to send people to. I typically go to the short trial page because I've already laid the groundwork in either my YouTube video or in my blog post explaining it. So they know what they're going for. They know they're signing for a trial. The short trial page is simply a one page with an opt-in. And then under the affiliate sub ID is where I might put blog post, and then I might put the date, or I might put like what it's about, free trial. And it's already going to auto-populate it under here in the custom link, and then I would just copy and paste that link. Most of the time I'm just doing something like this, blog post, or I might do YT for like YouTube video, and then I would put in, I'd put in the date. Okay, so I know that the YouTube video I made on 12/13/19, every sign up I get from that I know. So when I go here, like you can see here, I can see, okay, here's 12/13/18, and then I can go here and I can go to all time, hit filter, and it's going to show me every sale from this link. From the sub ID. So this is how I track my affiliate links. Okay, and then you can see here, so this was actually for, I believe, funnel scripts. So you can see here, just off that one video, I had 7 transactions for the old ClickFunnels or funnel scripts, but that now they've upgraded it to a one-time, so you actually get 318 commissions now, which is great. And then the other option to do here is, if you want to see all your links and everything, you would clear this out, go to all time, and then filter, and this will show you everything. And then you'd scroll to the bottom and you can simply just click download. It'll download a spreadsheet and you can upload it to your CSV or whatever it is file. You can transfer it to Excel. That's the way to do it. Other than that, if you want to track, I would go to what's called ClickMagick. And this is what most affiliates that I know, ClickFunnels affiliates, I was using it for a while, and I don't know why I stopped. I should probably start up again. But ClickFunnels Magic, you get a free trial, this is where you can cloak your links. And if you're going to do stuff like solo ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, you're probably going to want something more advanced like ClickMagick. If you're just doing basic blog posts or sending out emails, you could probably get by with just the basic sub ID tracking. But if you really want to get advanced, use ClickMagick. This is what majority of the affiliates in ClickFunnels are using. I'll put a link below for this as well. You can try it out for free. I've used it on a couple campaigns and when I've done some Google ads, and I really like it because I can see which ads. So if I have 5 ads running and 5 different images, then I can track the affiliate link based on the image. So I know that, okay, the image A is selling more of the ClickFunnels trial than image B, C, and D. So that's how you'd get more advanced. Thank you so much. Listen, I am a ClickFunnels affiliate, obviously. So if you do sign up for ClickFunnels, awesome. Thank you. If you're already ClickFunnels affiliate, rock and roll. I hope this helps you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, guys.